Hey buddies, for today's iPhone Diaries, really quickly, we're going to be talking about how to keep your girl happy, okay? All right, if you've been with your girl for a couple years, no, y'all grew up together, whatever the case is, she is expecting more. Okay, you doing the same thing over and over, she's probably like past that, outgrown that. It's pretty common for girls to be more mature than guys. Science, not me, facts. Okay, so when it used to be cool, y'all just Netflixing and chilling and all of that in the beginning of the relationship, over time she's gonna want more, whether that's movie nights, whether that's dinner dates, whether that's couples dates, something, group dates, whatever, going on a picnic, going on a bike ride, whatever, going to the beach, walking on the sand, like things that grown-ups do. Okay, I'm pretty sure the people who are watching these videos, you're in your like late 20s, early 30s, even older than that. If that's the case, yo, you should be at a point in your life where doing these regular teenagery flirty things, y'all should be past that already. Okay, you guys, I'm assuming, are in the point of your relationship where you either have kids together or are thinking about having kids, thinking about buying your first house, stuff like that. If you're at that point in your relationship, these little things that you've been doing at the beginning of the relationship are beginning to get old. Okay, and while they're getting old, she might begin to start seeming annoying or nagging, or she just doesn't want to deal with you anymore. It's because of these little things. You're not stepping up and being a man. You want to be respected as a man, start acting like a man. Okay, girls, it's the same thing for you. The little things that you were doing in the beginning of the relationship, your man is going to be expecting more. So step your game up, whether that's in the bedroom, whether that's cooking, whether whatever it is, step your game up. And for guys, it's really basic, like simple things, but for the girls, it's more. We're expecting more. We deserve more. Okay, pay attention to the things that she does for you on the regular and try to match her or outdo her. When it comes to women, when we latch on to you and we love you and we have been together for how many years, we become your biggest cheerleaders, your biggest supporters, and we expect that same thing in return. Okay, so if you can't level up to what we're giving you, then let us know that and step away so that somebody else can come in and take that spot. All right, like I said, this is for the people who are in more committed relationships. If you're just starting to date this person, then sure, go ahead, kiki, whatever, do the little things that y'all want to do. But after a time, all that little shit is going to get boring and she's going to get tired of it. I'm letting you know. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.